Hi guys, this is Young and you're about to see an amazing scenery. Ta-da! So I'm finally at Jiuzhaigou, which is probably the most beautiful site in China. Luckily, I happened to be in Sichuan province when Jiuzhaigou reopened 2 years after earthquake of magnitude 7 in 2017. So this is Mother Lake, Long Lake. This is the highest lake in this valley, and the water from here just feeds down into the rest of the valley. So we're ready to explore together different colors of Jiuzhaigou. So let's go. And this is called 5 color ponds, and this is supposed to be the prettiest ponds in Jiuzhaigou. But actually this is reality, so I need to compete to get some best shots. So here, not many people and beautiful scenery, turquoise water, although you can't really see because it's a bit cloudy. So what should I do here? Let's fly the drone. But yeah, so my guide told me that we're not allowed to fly drone in Jiuzhaigou. And I do see a lot of these signs in the lower basin of Jiuzhaigou, which is such a shame. And I didn't even dare to try in the upper sort of valley because I do see a lot of sort of like military and police officers at the entrance because they're sort of controlling the traffic here. So I basically borrowed a few clips from the Chinese sort of like government media. I hope they don't mind because they will justify the national treasure, the beauty of Jiuzhaigou in China. So the bus experience is really stressful. So what I'm gonna do is basically sort of walk down really fast from the Rhino Lake to like Tiger Lake and down to the sort of final bus stop. Let's go. So hope you guys enjoy the beauty of Jiuzhaigou. It has been a wonderful experience, except in some cases where it was a little bit stressful. But I have to say there are enough sort of greenery and footpaths sort of off the main like shuttle bus stops for you to actually enjoy the nature so that you can really enjoy the water sound, tree sound, So if you do get a chance in Sichuan, then do visit Jiuzhaigou and some other places. So I will come back with some great footages or compilation of like my trip in Sichuan, which I promise you will be amazing. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you!